Hello everyone. This time we will be staying at a hotel called Baker's Key Resort in Key Largo. This is one of the brand under Hilton called the Curio Collection. This brand was launched in 2014 due to the hurricane damage back in 2017. So this hotel was rebuilt and opened in 2019. First, let's take a look at the rooms. We have booked a waterfront king-size room in the coconut wings. This is our balcony. Opens to the ocean view. This is fantastic. Summer is in the air. And here is the hotel best location. Next, we will take a look at the hotel environment. Right now it's about sunset time, and we are just in time to watch the sunset. This is the exterior view of our room. After sunset, we went to take a look at the Dry Rock restaurant. The view at the restaurant is perfect, and the price is inexpensive. After that, we went to the hammock wing for a walk. As you can see, the views are blocked by the trees, but there's a small beach. You can book private dinners at the beach. Besides that, there's outdoor movies for the children's. Overall, this is a family-friendly hotel. The appearance of the lobby is very elegant. After entering, this is where the check-in area is located. The hotel lobby also contains other entertainment facilities. Here you can read some books in leisures. You can also play billiards. There's a small gym on the second floor.